So, you've just received a notification that someone sent you money on Cash App. Congrats. Free money is always a good thing, right? But how do you actually get your hands on it? That's what we're diving into today. Let's face it, Cash App has become a staple in our digital wallets. It's quick, easy, and convenient for sending and receiving money. But there's more to it than just tapping a button. There are a few different ways money can show up in your Cash App, and understanding them can save you some confusion. First things first, there are two main ways money can appear on your Cash App, as a pending payment or as an instant deposit. Let's break down what that means. A pending payment is like money in limbo. It's there, but you can't spend it yet. This usually happens when someone sends you money without linking a debit card to their Cash App. It's like sending a snail mail check. It takes a little longer to process. Now, an instant deposit is exactly what it sounds like: instant. The money is available to you immediately. This happens when the sender has linked a debit card to their Cash App. It's like getting cash handed to you directly. Okay, so you know the difference between pending and instant. But how do you actually accept a pending payment? It's pretty simple. When you get a notification about a pending payment, open your Cash App. You'll see the payment listed under your Activity tab. Tap on it, and you'll have the option to accept or decline. Once you accept, the money will typically be available within a few business days. But what if you're impatient and want that money now? Well, there's a way to speed things up. You can link your debit card to your Cash App. Once you do, any pending payments will instantly convert to cash. It's like upgrading from snail mail to email. Now, let's talk about another common question. What if you don't see the money? First, check your Cash App balance. Sometimes, it might take a few minutes for the transaction to process. If it's been a while and you still don't see it, check your Activity tab. Maybe the payment is still pending. If you're sure the payment should have gone through, you can contact Cash App support for assistance. One more thing to keep in mind, Cash App isn't just for person-to-person payments. You can also use it to receive money from businesses. If you've bought something online and paid with Cash App, the money will usually be refunded to your Cash App balance. So there you have it. Receiving money on Cash App doesn't have to be a mystery. With a little understanding, you can easily manage your funds and enjoy the benefits of this convenient app. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.